Thank you for buying this 15388 wedding ring display from Fixture Displays. I'm going to show you how to assemble this unit. First, we're going to fasten these two panels together. The holes are pre-drilled, so all you need to do is match up the hole position and then fasten. The way these panels works is that there are edge holes and then there are nuts we want to embed, and then we fasten from the edge into the panel. You see right here, to your left hand side, the nuts are inserted in the hole, and then through this board into the edge is the screw that you want to turn. Then it locks the nut. Likewise, you want to repeat on the other end. So you first insert the nut, make sure the hole faces out through the hole. Now this is the side panel that has a door latch, make sure that faces front. And assembly the same principle. Now we're going to fasten the left hand side panel and the door panel, which we have joined together earlier, because it will be a little more difficult to join the hinge at this stage. That's why it was done earlier. Once you get one screw fastened to the nut, the others are very simple. It's the same principle. Now we have the body ready. We're going to put the top on. The top is the wood piece. You want to match up the hole positions. Again, you want to put the nuts in first with the hole facing the edge hole orientation, so when the screw comes down, it has no problem finding that hole on the nut. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. Now we're going to fasten all the 4 holes. You want to insert them all before you fasten any individual one. We encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. In this family, we also have 11054 and 11055. Those are both floor displays. Now we're going to put the white panel, then clear panel. We're going to use this decorative nut. There's an all thread. Want to go in, fasten down. All right, so this screw goes down. There's the embedded nuts in there. If you find this difficult, you can take the all thread out and then fasten the all thread to the top panel first, then drop the 2 acrylic panels in, then fasten the cap. That's another way to do this. Now we're going to take off the tongue and then insert the barrel and then fasten the big nut. Then we're going to put back the tongue with that one screw. Make your adjustment. Make sure the tongue latches to the side panel slot properly. If you need additional keys, feel free to contact us. CS, the Charlie Sam at fixturedisplays.com. The rings are tied through a weighted ball at the bottom. The best way to do that is to have the cable go through the ring, come down to the weight, and then fasten the cable back to the weight. There are other ways to do that as well. You can also order pull boxes from us online that give you a little easier time to work with it. So this is the cable coming out of the display. You will hook that onto your ring. And then come back to the base of the display and then fasten that to the bottom of the weight.